Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SolidWorks tutorial how to add dimension to drawing. So as example, I will create a simple 3D objects. You can draw rectangle and then use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now you can go into drawing with this part. You can click file, click on make drawing from part, click save and insert. So I will click save. We're waiting to open into the drawing. I will use A4 paper size. Click OK. And then you can insert part. Like I will set from the top. And then if you want to create a dimension, you can go to annotation. Click this icons, annotation button. And then you can use the smart dimension. So I will click from this edge into here. Okay, in this edge again, and also at this edge. Okay, that's it for a basic SolidWorks tutorial how to add dimensions to drawing. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.